I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard and jelly dessert. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of jelly, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, 2 cups of milk, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick treat. We will start by preparing the jelly, allowing it to set, then move on to cooking the creamy custard. Finally, we will layer these 2 delicious components for a delightful dessert. Let's begin by preparing our jelly base. Take 1 packet of your favorite jelly crystals and dissolve them completely in hot water, following the package instructions. Once dissolved, add the specified amount of cold water to reach the recommended volume. Carefully pour this liquid jelly into your chosen serving dish. Now, place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until it is completely firm and set. Next, let's create our creamy custard. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of custard powder with just a splash of cold milk to form a smooth paste. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of milk with 3 tablespoons of sugar until it's warm but not boiling. Gradually stir in your custard paste, whisking continuously. Cook over medium heat until the custard thickens to your desired consistency, then remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Once your jelly is fully set, cut it into small, bite-sized pieces directly in the serving dish. Carefully spoon the slightly warm custard over the jelly layer, ensuring an even distribution. For best results, chill the assembled dessert in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Before serving, feel free to garnish with fresh fruit, a sprinkle of nuts, or colorful sprinkles for an extra touch of delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.